Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today I want to show you this 2018 Ford F-150 that we've got in. This is a one-owner vehicle with great history on it. It's a Supercab XLT with the 6.5-foot bed. It's four-wheel drive. This does have the 5-liter Coyote V8 in it. Of course, automatic transmission. And nicely equipped for an XLT. So in great shape, rust free. The paint and body are beautiful on it. As you can see, backup sensors, tow package, the backup camera in it. Nice big bed with the Line X spray liner in it, and then also, of course, the rear bed LED lights. They come in handy. As I mentioned, this is a rust-free truck in excellent shape. I don't know if I mentioned the miles, but 188 on the clock. And looking at it, running it, and driving it, you cannot tell it. These were the tires on it when I got it. They are in really good condition. The wheels are all in great shape. No curb chunks taken out of them. Suspension's nice and clean and tight. All the bushings and joints, everything looks great in it. No problems with the cab corners or rocker panels. And check out this interior. I hope you didn't give up when I said 188,000 miles on it. This thing has been very well taken care of. Not smoked in. And it wasn't stained up and wore out when we got it. These are original mats. Of course, power driver seat. It does have power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, adjustable foot pedals, automatic headlights. And like I mentioned, four-wheel drive, so we'll go ahead and engage that for you. Go. So the four-wheel drive engages like it's supposed to. Navigation, of course, the backup camera again, Bluetooth, of course your USB plug-ins, nice big console, plenty of storage. Original owner's manual in the glove box there. Oh, and it does have heated seats, so that's a big plus. I'm not a big techie guy, but one thing I do like is Bluetooth and heated seats. Of course, you've got power sources in the back here too, as well as your rear heat and air. Okay, let's have to do it with one hand here. There we go. Oops, sorry about my fingers in the way. The oil looked great in it. We went ahead and changed that. This truck's all stock, so no air box, no exhaust, no anything like that. It does show 2 accidents, one from 2020, one from 2021 in the front end, and one on the right side. And the truck looks great. I don't know what all was damaged, but all these body lines and everything structurally inside look perfect. And again, that was 5 years or more ago, with plenty of miles put on it since then, and I've driven it quite a bit. Bottom line, we can't ball them up and throw them away, and if they're put together right, then should be just fine for a long time to come. And I think that's the case with this one. This is a clean truck. Just passed Virginia State inspection yesterday, and of course fresh service done to it, and this thing is ready to roll. So if you're looking for a reasonably priced four-wheel drive F-150 with the Coyote, this one might be it. So give us a call today. We can arrange for shipping and delivery, and we can offer good trade-in values as well. So thanks for watching as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.